Alright, let us rename something. Let's go to the developer directory. Say move, change directory to developer, enter. So what's in there? There is a mary.doc file. So if you click on that, you see the developer, there is mary.doc. Okay, good. Let's see, let's change the name of it. To change the name, you say rename and rename is the command, and the file name is mary.doc. That is the name of the file, and what name you want the file to be. Let's say Mary renamed, something like that. Renamed.doc. So when I enter here, that Mary should change to Mary renamed. Let's see. Enter. See that on the right? You'll see the Mary is now renamed. Okay. And another thing, you don't need to be in the same folder. You can be in another folder. Say for example, I change directory and go one step, and we can rename it again. And the short form for rename is, you can use a shortcut like REN, rename, then the file name. Developer, is that developer? Yes. Developer and slash Mary renamed .doc, and to what name you want. Say for example, Mary.doc. Say we want the previous name back. That is fine. Just enter. So that name, as you notice, is now gone back to Mary.doc. Okay. So far, so good. Very good. Now we look at how to copy files. Alright, so let's move to change the directory to say manager, enter, dir. What is in there? There is one file named mark text. So let's have a look what is in there. Manager, there is one mark text in there. We can see if we can copy something, and mark.txt. Then you are moving to the another folder, so you have to get down a little one step like that, then developer, then the name mark copy new name .txt, enter, one file copy. Alright, let's see is this there. So we just copied here to the developer. So click on that. See, that is mark copy there. Very good. Alright, for our test purpose, let us start removing some files and directories. Alright, we are going to remove say the designer. How do we are going to remove it? There is a remove command called RD we already used. We can use that again. Say, let us change back one step. Enter, dir. So these are the files. So let us remove designer. Designer and DISIG designer, and we are going /s is everything, and another one is /q means don't ask me question. So let's start with yes first, like this. Are you sure you want to remove or not? At the moment I say no. Okay, just keep it there and do that again. Let us do that again. Remove directory designer, so GNER /s, and this time /q means don't ask for confirmation. Enter. So that designer directory should have gone by now. Let's have a look on the file. See, there is only Drupal site me designer is gone, and if you check here dir, there we go, that designer is gone. Very good. So let's move to developer. So what's in there? there is mark copy and Mary doc. Say we want to delete mark copy. The command is delete mark copy .txt. Enter. So that is gone. Directory, see, that is disappeared. So that is the delete command. Anytime your screen is full and you want to clear it, the command is cls, clear screen. Enter, all gone. So that clear it and you can keep on working. So if you need any help about all the different commands, what is available, you just type help. It will list all the commands. Okay, and if you want to get more information about a specific command, just type, say, that command, whatever. Say I want to know something about more about copy / and question mark. If you do that, it will give you more details about different options and what are the things you can do with that command. And therefore more information like that. And there are some shortcuts. If you press, say, F3, that is the function key F3, it will bring back the last command you typed. Okay, so you can enter it and you can continue. If you press F7, that brings out a list of the recently used command. So you can choose with your arrow keys which command you want. Say, for example, I can choose 45 and it should clear the screen. Enter. There we go, it is cleared. And if another command is F8, that goes through various commands you used previously and you can choose which one you want to use. Okay, enter. Okay, that covers the basics of command line. Once you master the basics, you can learn more interesting stuff. Say, for example, if I type ipconfig, it will give you details about your computer, your IP address and the gateway, all sorts of things. And say, for example, you can look up at the internet. Say, for example, you want to see one of the site is working or not. I say ping and the site name Drupal site.me. That is my site name. If it will interrogate, send packages and send it back, and it will tell how much time it took and all that. So once you master the basic commands, you can get into intermediate level of the commands. Then you can progress into Unix and Linux commands and start doing interesting stuff. The important thing to remember, because there is no recycle bin, so it's better to create on a temporary file structure and work on it when you are learning. I have a PDF file attached to this tutorial detailing basic command lines. You can download and practice it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thank you for watching.